Happy Saturday, everybody. Today I am hosting an open house here in Ashland, Oregon, 55 North Mountain Avenue. This is a condominium, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,300 square feet. It's going for $454,000. This is really a desirable area. It's close to Southern Oregon University. It's close to the Shakespearean Festival, downtown Ashland, all shops and restaurants. Everything is super close to you. Very walkable friendly, bike friendly. This is a super cute little condominium. Let me show you inside. Look at that. Has a loft, open concept, fireplace for those winter nights, eat-in area, breakfast bar, kitchen, and there is your amazing loft. There are 2 bedrooms upstairs, one of which is the master, and downstairs is another bedroom. You can make an office out of it. And here's an idea. If you were to purchase this and you had a child looking at college or any other schooling here in Southern Oregon, you could purchase this for your child or children, or you could rent it out to their friends who are also here going to school. Just a thought. If you wanted a vacation rental and you wanted to spend time here in Ashland, all year round is a perfect time in Ashland. This could be a perfect vacation spot for you. Or if you just wanted it for a rental, that would be a way to make some income. It is awesome here.